Go press that recording!
You was that dog? Hey, don't put it.
Yeah, I put in this here. I put in everything in. Alright guys.
This is Fine Adventure. Hi guys, this is Fine Adventure.
Fine Adventure here. Anyway. Serious. Listen. I ain't posting in a long time, right? That was due to unforeseen circumstances, right? I had a lot to do real work, you know? I said, man, I don't be
Hey, shut up! I already not taking this seriously.
yeah, I'm not even taking this seriously, that's to tell you. But, you know where we're going? No, you don't know where we're going, so let me tell you. I'm sorry about the cringe moments. That's me. If all you want to look at cringe, just come on this channel and get your daily dose of cringe, right? Anyway, alright, so we go into Rio Seco Waterfall. It is the most magnificent waterfall we have here in Trinidad. Alright, I don't want to spread any wrong information, but
That's not true.
I'm not sure if that is true, but it's a good waterfall. Aripo is a nice waterfall as well. And you're done already. Know your boy already make a video on that. You could go and click on the link in the description
yeah, it should be
check out somewhere. I don't even know. It's down. But yeah, it's a tall waterfall though, so
Really deep.
yeah, it's real deep. It actually have a tree down inside, like a tree fell into the water and
Oh yeah, no,
it
that's
cover,
actually true.
yeah, and it like covered the whole tree, so it actually pretty deep. What I will do, I will try to swim down into the depths. It does be real scary, but I'll try to do it regardless. Alright, so I'll catch you in a little bit. God damn. Alright peeps, so you can see, let me give you a tour of the area.
If you're gonna love me,
don't get a copyright video.
you gotta love all of me.
So on the left here we have bush. On the right here we have more bush.
Oh, but this is high end bush.
Welcome! High end bush.
Yeah, because the leaves, they see the leaves looking more healthy. Let me demonstrate. Look how healthy and green these looking. And then look at here. These spoonie and suffering. I'm telling you, this is the more privileged leaves. And this is the
real visual of inequality.
yeah. When are we going to step up and come together? When are we really going to do?
We need change. They just try to communicate with me, but you know, they have a different language.
Yeah, I don't think they really understand the. You know how long I'm looking for this ring? Oh my gosh, dog!
What the heck is this?
Magical things is really happen on hikes.
Until they jump out.
No? Do you want to go see him and say, hey, look,
Look, my friend!
I know he.
Look, young buck, man.
Look, young. Oh, God! Oh, we have a shrimp Daniel, so? No. Oh my God!
No.
Oh my God! We record this home.
A shame. The max out. Move by your bubble line.
You know, he name is Young Buck.
Hey, I don't mind you, man. Yeah. Get you clean all them mother mark up. Oh God, young buck, yes. Yeah, the vibes can't stop. Alright, so we reached thrill of the hike, right? It's the real start. Where you get them tunes from, boy?
Bye. I had them tunes for a long time, man.
Zah! Dog. Dog, I sure all the animals and things just run run for your goddamn life. So boom. I'll show you the little clip.
Touch me.
Dog, shut up.
Don't die to the man.
Oh yeah, this is not, I ain't even sweating, dog. I'm just tell you how easy this hike is. No hike could break this man.
She is always right there when I need her. Oh, I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her.
I'm trying to keep up the persona of a fit person, but I think I reached my limit.
Bye.
Wait, this camera on? Shit. Watch on through now with your helpful self. Watch how helpful this man is. Wow, good job. You're doing such a good job.
Hi, Daniel. I need to get a doctor.
Alright guys, so you can see we reached it. It's a very nice little pond. It's a big waterfall. It's much bigger than Aripo. And yeah, it's our vibes. It's our vibes, bro. We will be exploring under the water, checking the depth. Well, we will see if we can touch the depth.
I could.
And yeah, hopefully I won't die. Alright peeps, goodbye.
Sorry.
Yo. Alright, Mr. Andrew. As usual, I would like your honest opinion about this place.
Honestly, it's nicer. Nicer than I remember the place I went. Yeah, the water nice though.
Yeah, and just how the sun.
Waterfall is really nice.
Just how the.
It's friendly. It have the rock sand.
Yes.
And then I have the pool area. Oh, it's nice. But here, good as well because.
Here's like a.
Look at it though.
Look at it.
Yes. Oh yeah.
Just jump.
Oh yes.
We have Mr. Andrew here coming up. I'll give that dive. I'll give it a 2 out of 10. When you're ready. Yeah, that's cool. Alright guys, so we finished the little hike, Rio Seco, and everybody done leave, man. So I had to walk by myself, carrying the bag or kind of thing. So I just go and take a little run, see if I can meet them up. There we go. Okay peeps, so this is the end of the video. I just want to say that I'll be linking the song that I made in the description, and you know, just for you to check it out. Obviously I made that song for fun, so I'll also be linking the instrumental that I used because that's not my instrumental. So I'll be linking that, giving credit to where credit is due. You don't know. Alright, take care. Alright peeps, so this will be the end of the hike. Drop a like on the video if you like it, and yeah, on to the next one.
Now we start now. When you do it so wet, them I ask how. And she whine so good, she are so proud. And you know you are the top of the class now. Girl, girl, wine for me. The way you bubble and brace, girl, wine for me. Turn over back ways, girl, wine for me. Girl, you know from the start, me not in a long talk, no. Girl, wine for me. The way you bubble and brace, girl, wine for me. Turn over back ways, girl, wine for me. Girl, you know from the start, me not in a long talk, no. You are tease, you are not nice, and you push it back on me 'cause you know you are not shy. Song flow through she waistline, make she come fast, me no waste time. Hey, yeah. I love it when you broke it and drop it and drop it. I love it when she broke it and drop it and drop it. The girl do off it, stop it. Next thing the girl want to shell out me pocket, oh lord. You are the realest real, 12 out of 10, me I rate this.